Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you our nice dry day we're having here. It's been like this all day. Puddles everywhere. Like that's 2 inches of water right there. Ooh. So I guess what I wanted to show you is down the driveway. That's the biggest concern we get from like family and friends and just co-workers is like, what do you do when the weather's bad or this or that? And the answer is same thing you do with your 30-foot driveway. Drive on it. So, no, it's not awful. No. So now just checking it out. My dad sent me a text asking me how our creek's doing, and to be honest, I haven't wasn't raining last time I was walking down here. Man, it is pouring. I'm starting to actually get soaked in my raincoat. So it's one of the $11 ones from Sears. So, but I love them. Yeah, everything's crazy. Oh my God. Wow. Sweet. That is deep. Oh yeah. It's good. Oh, whoa. See my skid marks? Wow. That's about as high as I've ever seen it here. So that's the problem. It's all. Hey, sorry about the water on the lens, but yeah, this is crazy down here. So that's an 18-inch culvert. I really wish whoever did that put in like a 2-footer or something. At some point, Sparkle and I might have to make this bigger, but it is what it is for now. It's obviously not covering our driveway. So let's go check up front, because one of our neighbors called us the other day and said that the township was working on the front, digging drain ditches. So let's go see what's happening with that. All right, I'm gonna try something. Ooh, that's actually all the way from that puddle there, starting to cover the whole drive. This is a lot of water. But let's. Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. This is the downside of using this to take care of a hot tub. And it is all of this here. So that's all little foam pieces that I got to vacuum up now. So we'll see how this project goes.